So guys, I just came back from my job and I had to get a cake for my dad. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. I'm getting a cake for my father, and my mom came to pick me up at Kashmira, and there's this international baking company करके shop, वहाँ पे मैं हूँ अभी, and I'm getting a cake, cheesecake for my father, which I'm sure he would have loved. So yeah. Actually वो लोग अभी चीज़ केक बना रहे हैं. I'm waiting for it to get ready. Meanwhile I'm gonna eat my favorite ice cream. So I got cake. I got even a vada pav. 2 vada pavs actually because my dad loves vada pavs. So keeping him in mind, we bought vada pav so that उनके हिस्से का I and my mom will eat, so that I don't know. Maybe he'll like it because he for sure loved vada pav. He was a sucker for vada pav. So actually, me and my mother's plan on my dad's birthday was to go to an orphanage or old age home or whatever they call it. But since I was gone for work the whole day, we didn't have the time to go. I just came home. You can imagine, मतलब अभी 9 बज गए, कब जाते. So इसलिए फिर मैं ही गए, तो अभी मे भी कल जाएंगे हम लोग. इसलिए this vlog, that's why I'm making this vlog. But yeah. So now I'm gonna quickly freshen up because I look like shit, as you can see. And then after I freshen up, I'll cut the cake finally. Yeah, there's not much to say. My life is very boring. I work, I come home, sleep, I again work, I come home, I again sleep. So yeah, that's just about it. Today's plan was to actually go to that orphanage, but it couldn't be possible because if I'm gonna come at home at 8 o'clock, we can't go, it's not late. So that's why we had to cancel the plans. But anyways, I'll see you guys when I'm cutting the cake. So I was freshened up and now I removed my dad's cake and I'm gonna lit it. I'm gonna lit the candle. So yeah, let's start the celebration. The candle is almost about to melt, so I'm quickly gonna start. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Papa. Happy birthday to you. We miss you a lot, Daddy. Dog, I miss you, Saibu. I miss you a lot. So, Daddy, on your behalf, me and Mommy are going to cut the cake. And we miss you a lot and we love you a lot. And yeah, let's just blow the candle, Mama. Yay! So actually, my dad always loved cutting cakes. I used to always get cakes and stuff like that because he always enjoyed all of this. So yeah, so I wanted to do it this year too. Even though he's not with us, I'm sure he's watching over us and I'm sure he'll be happy seeing me cut his cake of his birthday. So yeah. So guys, my dad really loved vada pav a lot, so that's why I thought to eat vada pav for him. So इसलिए मैंने vada pav लाया, मैंने और मेरी mom ने, and yeah, I'm gonna have my dinner. दाल चावल है. So अभी let's dig in and have that yummy dinner. So guys, I got done with my dinner and now I'm gonna sleep. तो कल मुझे छुट्टी है, which I'm so happy about. सबसे खुशी का दिन है क्योंकि कल मुझे छुट्टी है. तो आज पूरा दिन I was working, so I didn't have the time to do and celebrate my father's birthday in the right way. So that's why tomorrow me and my mom are gonna go either to an orphanage or either to an old age home. Let's see, नज़दीक जो भी रहेगा वहाँ हम जाएंगे and we'll celebrate with them. And that's the most important part of this whole birthday vlog celebration. So stick along and you'll see how we go and what we do. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night. तो hey guys, it's the next day. So आज छुट्टी थी इसलिए मैं आराम से उठी and अभी 6 बज गए हैं. हाँ, 6:17 हो गए हैं and मैं उठी 2 बजे क्योंकि छुट्टी के दिन ही सोने मिलता है. So I got up आराम से and now finally I've gotten dressed up and my mom is ready and now we're gonna go to the orphanage. So there's a orphanage near my home only, so I'm gonna go there. Let's see if it's open and let's see if I get to visit because I don't know the timing and all. I don't have any clue. So yeah, let's just go and yeah, I'll see you once I reach there. We did a booking. Actually पता नहीं था हम लोगों की बुकिंग करके आना पड़ता है, तो अभी का इमीडिएट स्लॉट नहीं था, तो हम लोग को फ्राइडे का मिला है, मतलब आफ्टर 2 days. So I'm gonna come back to this place on Friday and then we are gonna sponsor their dinners for the girls out here living here. I'm gonna go home and then I'll explain you guys properly कि exactly क्या है क्या नहीं है. So guys, I just reached home, so I just want to tell you guys, मतलब ना वहाँ पे ना you have to do a booking and then only you can go. Because booking why? Because there are other people also who donate, like every day there is someone who's gonna sponsor and donate their meals, like you know meals के time पे ही only you can go and meet these children. Actually girls, total 200 girls are there in that orphanage, but because of COVID these people have sent all of them back to their houses and now only 21 girls are there, not 21, 12 girls are only there. And actually ये लोग all the girls in this orphanage are like जिनके mom dad ने छोड़ दिया, ऐसे रास्ते पे के जो बच्चे हैं ना, लड़कियां है आई थिंक मोस्टली, अभी फ्राइडे जाऊंगी तो समझेगा, तो उनका ये ऑर्फनेज है, या जिनकी मॉम एंड डैड उनके एजुकेशन को अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते, वो टाइप के लोग इस ऑर्फनेज में है, उनके पेरेंट्स उनको भेज देते हैं इधर. एंड योर इट्स नॉट जस्ट एन ऑर्फनेज, दे ऑल्सो लाइक यू नो गिव एजुकेशन टू द गर्ल्स विच इज so amazing. Like it was and the मतलब ambience was so good and good as in बहुत cleanliness था पूरे इसमें. हम लोग अंदर जितना भी देखा, we went inside. I am sure you might have seen in the previous clips. तो जितना भी देखा ना, सब इतना clean था and well maintained था. So I was like really happy and I was happy for the girls that they were getting education. You know, they are getting that opportunity. So yeah, I'm just glad that it happened. Like today, I couldn't do it, but I'm definitely going on to 25th. That is not 25th, sorry. I'm gonna go on Friday. I guess us din, I don't know what's the date gonna be. You'll see. So yeah, so that's all about the orphanage, and it's handled by these sisters. So yeah, we spoke to that sister and she told like breakfast का timing and अलग and all that, ये 4 meals के timings रहते हैं, उसी timing पे जाके उनको मिलके उनको देने का. So I am thinking, I'm sure अभी वो लोग रोज़ रोटी सब्जी दाल चावल खाते ही है. So I'm thinking Friday को ना मैं उनके लिए burger और sandwiches लेकर जाऊँ, because they are girls of age like from 5 to 15 years. Like उस age में तो I still love junk, that's not the point. But you know, वैसे उतने वो एज में बच्चों को बड़ा मज़ा आता है ये सब खाने को, तो that's why I'm planning to give them that. So I haven't thought exactly what I'm gonna find the rates and all of that, and then उसके हिसाब से I will go and take some you know junk food for them, because I'm sure रोज़ तो healthy खाते और अच्छा खाते, एक दिन I want it to be a treat from my side and from my mother's. So yeah, and so Friday को 8 o'clock की appointment है, it's the time of their dinner. So on Friday when I come from my work at almost, I reach home by 8 o'clock. So on the way only वो orphanage है, so I'm gonna call my mother directly to the orphanage and I'll go there directly. So I'll reach there by 7:45 orphanage को, and yeah, फिर उनको मॉम लेकर आएगी सब खाने का जो भी है, एंड आई विल जस्ट टेल हर अ डे बिफोर कि क्या क्या लेना है. सो जिस दिन लेकर जाएंगे उस दिन आई विल शो यू गाइस क्या क्या उनको लेकर जाने वाले. तो अभी आई विल सी यू आफ्टर 2 days. Ta-da! And yeah, quickly I just want to tell that my father loved kids, so I'm doing this in his loving memory. Like yeah, it's my dad's, I'm celebrating my dad's birthday by doing this. So yeah, that's why I'm doing this, and that's why it's included in my dad's birthday vlog, because I'm doing it for my father and in the honor of my father, in the loving memory of my father. So yeah. So hey guys, as you might have already heard from me in the earlier part of this video that I was gonna see you all once it's 29th, and finally it's 29th, you guys. Today is the day I finally get to meet the kids, the children, like the girls basically, and I'm super excited. So I worked the whole day, and today was the day I got appointment, and I wanted to post this vlog also today only, so that's why I was like I have to do it today only, क्योंकि आज ही मैं ये vlog भी upload करने वाली हूँ YouTube पे. So I'm super excited about that. I'm super excited for you guys to see the vlog as well. So yeah, so I've sent my mother to pick up the delivery of the sandwiches, and also place an order in McD, because I'm going to be ordering 25 Mac Aloo Tikkis for the girls. So I was like, पता नहीं एंड मौके पे मिलेगा या नहीं. So I told my mom, go and order it. If you can get immediately, then don't order. Wait for me to come. And if it is not like that, then order it. So I've sent my mother, and also we are going to give the children for dinner sandwiches, masala sandwiches, and Mac Aloo Tikki from McD, and also a cake, honey bell cake, which I and my mom love a lot, and so that's why we are going to give that to the girls as well. And yeah, I'm super excited, you guys. This is the first time I'm going to an orphanage, like to a children's home. Yeah, I hope I'm saying it correctly. I'm really excited. Me and my mom have been wanting to go since such a long time, but me and my mom have been procrastinating it since years now. And so yeah, finally, in the loving memory of my daddy, I'm gonna go there, and I'm super excited to meet the girls. And yeah, I'm on my way, as I think मैंने पहले भी बोल दिया है, बट अगर नहीं बोला है तो एक्चुअली मुझे लेट हो गया ऑफिस से निकलने को, इसलिए टुडे आई एम गोना, नॉर्मली मैं घर पे 8 o'clock तक पहुंच जाती हूँ, बट आज मुझे थोड़ा सा लेट होने वाला है. एंड ऑन द वे ही है वो द चिल्ड्रंस होम. सो थैंक गॉड कि आई डोंट हैव टू टेक अ डिटोर. So on the way I'll go to the children's home, and फिर वहाँ से directly घर with my mom, and my mom is gonna directly meet me there. So yeah, so I'll see you guys once I reach. I love you, and yeah, keep watching the vlog, you guys. Please देखो मेरे videos को यार. So finally it's 8:10 or 15, and I finally reached Kashmira, and I got a call at 8 o'clock from the sister, like children's home की जो sister है, like the one who manages all the stuff, I guess. She called me, and she was like, the dinner time has come, and when are you coming? And that's why I told my mom that don't wait up for me, like I'll join you. I don't want the kids to starve too. So yeah, so I told my mom, you go and do it. So yeah, पता नहीं कब ये मास्क पहनने से छुटकारा मिलेगा, like seriously. So I'll be reaching in 3 or 5 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes maximum. Super excited. So I finally reached the home, children's home, and I've met everybody. Now I'm going to quickly introduce you all to them. So let's begin.
My name is Firdaus. My name is Pooja Devera.
And today is her birthday. इसका birthday आज, तो happy birthday to you. So guys, हम लोग का मिलके हो गया, and it's 9 o'clock, and now we're heading home. So I'll see you once I reach home. And it was really pleasure meeting these girls. They were so cute and innocent and lovely, and it was just amazing. Also मैं बोलना ही भूल गई कि मैंने जो ये emojis और stickers डाले हैं वो इसलिए डाले हैं because while I was taking videos in the children's home, the sisters told me that due to privacy reasons, whatever, due to that I'm not allowed to be posting videos on YouTube. And I get it, like these girls are out there on their own and for their safety, and after like when we're living in a country where girls are not at all safe, I totally get it why their privacy is important. That's why I've added those emojis, and you might be thinking why did she do that, but that's the reason why I did it. And so yeah, guys, मैं अभी just घर पे आई, and it's 9:30, actually 9:20. तो हाँ, तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा मज़ा आया उन सबको मिलके. Literally my heart is full with love, and my heart is content whatever. मेरा हार्ट एकदम मेरे को, मतलब मेरा दिल बड़ा भरा हुआ लग रहा है, बड़ा समाधानी लग रहा है, और बहुत ही मुझे बेसिकली बहुत अच्छा लगा उनको मिलके. तो मैं अभी वीडियो एडिट करने वाली हूँ, तुरंत डालने वाली हूँ, क्योंकि मेरा फ्राइडे का वीडियो मैंने अब तक पोस्ट नहीं किया था, कि करना ही पड़ेगा मुझे तुरंत. तो गाइज प्लीज़, आपने अगर सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया मेरे चैनल को तो अभी जाके करो. एंड आपको अगर ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो, जो कि लगा ही होगा, तो प्लीज थम्स अप पे क्लिक कर दो प्लीज. एंड ऐसे करना चाहिए. वैसे अभी दिस वाज द फर्स्ट टाइम दैट आई वेंट टू अ चिल्ड्रंस होम. आई होप आई एम प्रोनाउंसिंग इट right, but whatever. So that's why I vlogged it, but I'm gonna do this often, and yeah, it just gives a full fulfillment to my heart. So I'm gonna do it often, and I'm not gonna vlog it or post or do anything related to it if I do it again. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna be doing it again, and I urge you guys to go and spread love, happiness, kindness, and do such good deeds, so that there's already so much negativity out in the world. So our turn to spread positivity and happiness. So go do that if you haven't done something like this till now. And I'll see you on Monday in my next video. Mwah! Bye bye.